guys, how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog, and for today's recipe it is tempeh burger. If you're not familiar with tempeh is soybean cake from Indonesia that has been trending for the past 3 to 4 years when veganism or vegan life or vegan health style started to bloom again. Tempeh became one of the main topic among the vegans or those who choose plant-based life. But for us Indonesians, we grew up on tempeh. We grew up with tempeh. I've been eating tempeh since I was little, and now I'm in my 46 years old. Well, no, not 46 yet. 45, a year younger. Anyways, the following recipe, it is my oldest son favorite. He loves tempeh burger. My youngest was a bit finicky, but this year he started to really liking it. I made two kinds of tempeh burger, not different. It's just on the marinating sauces or ingredients, slightly tiny bit different, but they both love either. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye. So this is maple syrup mixed with liquid smoke and soy sauce, also ground cumin and ground coriander, and sriracha sauce because we kind of like sweet and spicy. And you just want to mix it properly and then marinate your tempeh slices for at least 4 hours or overnight. This is my oldest son favorite tempeh burger. Just loves it, so often I make it more than 1 bag of tempeh. I have two kinds of liquid smoke. One is the Mesquite one and the other one is Hickory. My son, the oldest son, loves the Hickory flavor, but I'm making two marinade today. One is using the Hickory and one is using the Mesquite. For the Mesquite, I'm gonna add some black pepper ground just to make it a bit different from the other ones. See if my oldest gonna love this one too. For sure, I'm gonna include both of the measurement of the ingredients on the description. Again, just drop your tempeh slices and coat it with the marinade for at least 4 hours or overnight. Now just grill them for 5 to 8 minutes on both sides, or it's up to you how long you want to be. You can use oven as well, but griller is quicker. Now just season your bun. You can have it toasted or not toasted with ketchup, mustard, whatever you like, cheese, lettuce. And there you go, your tempeh burger is ready.